Hi there, it's Lori from Lollipop Paper and Ink. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to my stamp studio. Today we're starting our first series in the Friday Fun with Sale-A-Bration Freebie posts. And we're starting right off with this Darling Donkeys stamp set. That's a Sale-A-Bration level 1 reward, meaning for a $50 purchase will earn you this level 1. And it's just so darn cute. I wanted to start off with this one. We're also doubling up today, and I'm using another Sale-A-Bration item. This is called the Oh So Ombre DSP. And you can see how pretty this is with these beautiful colors and how each one of them either the front side or the back side fade into different hues of that color. So that's so pretty. And this also is a level 1 reward. So today we're going to be doing 2 cards. This one I picked to start off with. This guy's just so cute. But I switched out the color a little bit. I wanted to do something different, and so I picked the Bermuda Bay color to work off of on this time. So I have my base. I can do this layering here. Let me just get this on, and then we'll do a little stamping, and I'm also doing a little coloring with my blends. So get this on here. These Sale-A-Bration products are will only be around for these 2 months. Sale-A-Bration is 2 months this year as opposed to 3 months, but the good news is we will have another one very soon. July and August we'll have a second Sale-A-Bration period. So okay, so this one I just used my stitched the large from the stitched shape dies, and I cropped this right out of the DSP, and I wanted to make sure that I had a little of the gradient color effect, so I was sure to keep a little bit of it a little bit brighter. And then we're going to be doing our stamping and our blending right on here. So I'm going to start off with the donkey image, which I have here, and since we're going to be coloring it in, I'm going to need some, and this is just regular Whisper White. It's not the heavy one, which sometimes if I know I'm using blends, I would use the heavier one, but the thick Whisper White, which now we have a new line, which is called Basic White, which should be the same. So I just want to put something, I'm going to just put a little piece of scrap behind that while I just do a little blending. I think I used crumb cake on this one, but I'm going to make it a little bit lighter, and I'm just going to start with the ivory. Okay, I did that very lightly because I wanted to keep it in the lines, and I always do leave a little bit of white space so that I can it looks more like the color is reflecting. And I'm just going to give a little bit of extra here with the, this is the light crumb cake, just to change it up a little bit. And this really doesn't need much blending. It's all right there. I can just go over that. And then what I always do for my little critters is I have to have Flirty Flamingo in for the inside of their ears. Okay. And I'm just going to blend that in a little bit. Just get that out. Just circulate it a little bit. Okay, I like that. All right, that's all we have to that. Now let's do our little take the sentiment from the Darling Donkeys, and this one we're just going to be using the Hey There Friend and this little background image, star image, and I think I'll do that in the gray. Not that one. Okay, and I already cropped this from the rectangle dies, the rectangle stitched dies. Okay, and then we'll just add a little bit of these little stars, background images right to that. Okay. All right, let's layer this guy up. So before I do that, I want to put a little bit of the burlap trim right around that. And I think I'm going to I won't send it all the way around. I'll just send it right to the back there. So I just need a little bit of seal to catch that both there. And I do one side and just make sure I'm pretty straight, and then take it around the other side before I trim it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's put this onto the card base. And this always needs a little bit of love and care here. Okay, but it's worth it because it's so, it is so sticky, and it's one and done. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. All right, now we can just pop this guy right over on top with some dimensionals. I guess we can put him on top first. And I want my lighter image, my light shading always up on top. So I'm going to put that here. Just pop it up with a few dimensionals. And we're good to go. Let's get those off. All right. Oh, I like this color. It's very bright and cheery. Okay, and then we'll just pop our sentiment down on the bottom. And since I messed up on this corner a little bit, I'm just going to tuck that in and no one will know the difference. There you go. All right, now I'm just going to take a little bit more of my trim, of my braided trim, and I can just make a bow right from here. I didn't give myself enough space there. Okay, here we go. And then once I have it, then I can tighten it up and then trim around it. There we go. Look how cute this is. So this is the Darling Donkeys and the Oso Ombre paper. Now what I did for our second project is same stamp set, the Darling Donkeys, and this time I used this beautiful DSP from the Handsomely Suited, I believe that's what it's called, Handsomely Suited bundle, which is part of the Well Suited suite, and beautiful masculine and neutral colors that can be used on everything. So I did use this one right here for this project, and then I chose my colors from that because I like that one so much. So this one I can put right up, and we can do our adhering right now for that. This is just really layering, no big deal. But you can see how you can use, you know, if you bought any of those products from the suite of the Well Suited suite, you would be able to get any one of these Sale-A-Bration items, the donkey or the Oso Ombre paper for yourself. All right, so I'm just going to layer this up. Here I took some of this I use the Stitched So Sweetly dies, and cropped out one of the larger rectangles for that. So that I am going to be putting here, but let's just do a little bit of the stamping for this one. And this is the guy that stands up nice and tall. So we can just stamp him right into the middle. Okay. It's hard to see with the light. All right, nice. Okay, so we can do some coloring in on him, or we could leave it blank. I'm wondering if maybe I'm gonna leave it blank this time. Maybe what I'll do is just color in that pretty rose. So I'm using the light Flirty Flamingo for here, for this one. And I think that will stand out nicely. So for this one, I'll just do a little bit of blending by using my dark one, just to go over the lines a little, and then bring back my light, just to blend that in. I like that. Okay, so let's do that. We'll just go with it. We will put this one on here. And this one I put it on a little bit crooked, but askew, I should say. And then I'm just going to just make sure that I'm sort of even on both these sides here. And then this guy can go right up on top. I think this time I'll use some dimensionals for him. And he'll need one in the middle this time because it is a larger layer, so I don't want it to sink in the middle. Okay, and then, oh, no, don't go down yet. Okay, so this is right there. And that's perfect for a nice little birthday, a masculine birthday. Now, what I did here was I brought in another product from the catalog. This is not a Sale-A-Bration, this is an actual purchasable bundle, and it's called the Oval Occasions, and it comes with this really cute, nice sized oval punch, and we love punches. And so it has really cute little sentiments on here: birthday, baby, friend, little Easter, thank you. It has everything. So what I did here was I did stamp this. This is It's Your Birthday. And you can see here, this is pretty tiny. It does come out a little bit bigger than what you see on there. So I was happy that it showed up a little bit larger. And I'm just going to punch that with the lower part, the smaller punch, the one that's not scalloped. And then I'll take a little bit more of this color and get my scalloped background layer right on there. And so, I mean, right there, if you purchased the actual bundle, the Oval Occasions bundle and the DSP, you would have enough to get the actual donkey stamp set for free. So that's the idea. I wanted to just show you how you can work with one or two, and then you get your, let's see, where should we put him? I think I'll put him right here, just overlapping just a bit. Okay, and if I wanted to, I could put some, maybe I will, the little metallic pearls on here too. I love the gray ones. They work out for so many projects. Okay, maybe I'll just put one here. I usually do 3 here and one more. How about right down there? Perfect. Okay, so there you go. We have our 2 Friday Fun with Sale-A-Bration products posts done, and these are with free products. That's what I wanted to show you, what you can do with some free products. And look how fast that was, came together so quickly, and I really like it. I really like the way this is and not colored in. So that just, things just happen like that. Okay, thanks so much for joining me today. If you need a catalog, just let me know. You can email me, or if you have any questions about the posts, then just email me, let me know, PM me on Facebook, and come back next week and we will do another Friday freebie with our SABs. So, all right, have a great day. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.